Hey loves, that's Send Out here coming at you with another video, and I just want to tackle something really quick. One question that I got from one of my subscribers, but one question that one of you asked me, and I will leave it here on the screen. You wanted to know if you can color your hair a bright, vibrant color without lightening it first. So I'm going to give you guys an example of why you cannot get your hair a vivid color without lightening your hair first. So right now I am using this Emerald by Joico, and as you can see, this one strand that we're using as a test strand is a natural, I want to say probably like a level 3, and this other wig is, this other little piece of hair is from this wig that I did on a previous video. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box below because it was cute. But anywho, a lot of people always get on certain hairstylists when they feel like their prices are exaggerated, for lack of a better term, that people use when they charge for a double process. A lot of you think that whenever you do, color on your hair, that you just place the color on there and then boom, you have it. That's not how it goes. The way it works is, if your hair is darker and you want to put a new pigment on, you have to first extract the pigment that is already in your hair. So once you begin to extract that melanin out of the hair, then you have a clean canvas. I shouldn't say clean canvas, a clear canvas, that doesn't have as much melanin to then build on top of. So then you can plug in another color. But if your hair still is full of all of its melanin, then there's no open space for the color to go in, okay? So now we're gonna comb this color through because I want you guys to see that I am giving even distribution to both sections of hair. At first I was just going to go ahead and answer the question, but just writing it down, but I just felt like it would be so much better if you can visually see what I'm talking about. I promise you, when hairstylists give you a price for single process hair color and double process hair color, this is the difference, okay? The darker piece of hair, that will act as single process hair color, meaning we're just putting a pigment on top of that color and then maybe it'll lift, but not really. And keep in mind, this color we are putting on is deposit only, like most vivids are, okay? And this hair that is on the other side, this hair that's on the left, that hair has been extracted of the natural melanin, okay? So that is why we have a blank canvas to put whatever color we want to put on, okay? So once again, you are making sure you spread it out evenly. This does have a like silver gray tint to it, so it's not gonna look as green, more blue, because that silver and that green are gonna kind of play off of each other. But you can see they're both evenly distributed. Now we're drying it, and as you can see, this darker piece did absolutely nothing. When you are getting a vivid color, that color is going to be deposit only, meaning there is no lift, okay? So whatever that natural base color is what will be the natural base color of the hair color. And I want you guys to know, let's say this hair was not as dark as it was, let's say it was maybe a level 5 or 6, it still wouldn't have really shown that much. Maybe you would have been able to see it in the sun, maybe. But when you're doing vivid colors, you have to get your hair lifted first. Your hair must be lifted first, you guys. So I really hope that clears things up for you. And here we go with the other one. As you can see, vivid in a mug, okay? And y'all watch both of them at the same exact time. You watch it in not necessarily real time because y'all wasn't, here the whole 30 minutes. It was processing. But as you can see, completely different. You can see this color very vividly, okay? So I really hope that makes sense. You guys, make sure you always leave some comments below and talk to me, because when you talk to me and you ask me questions, A, it's giving me new ideas for content, and B, this is what I'm here for. I'm here to answer your questions, whether it's in video form, whether it's on my blog. Speaking of my blog, look in the corner where my website is and subscribe to my website, yes. But anywho, as you can see, this color actually turned out pretty cute, and this wig isn't in bad shape. So leave me some comments below and let me know if you want to see me do this color all over this wig, because I just think it is so cute. In a second, you're gonna see how some of those silver pieces got in, this is in a second. You're gonna see how some of those silver pieces got caught up in between. But do you see the difference, guys? You saw the same exact color go on both pieces of hair, and you saw that one, it did absolutely nothing. In my opinion, it actually looks darker. Hello, it actually looks darker to me than it did before. And as you can see, the one piece that was free of melanin we're good because it had no substance whatsoever. So we were able to give it substance. Please understand that, you guys. Your hairstylist is not trying to steal your money, girl. She not trying to overcharge you, girl. Okay, you cannot go from looking all like this to looking like that. It's just not gonna happen. So I love you guys so much. I really hope you understand what I am trying to say, okay? Just giving you guys a really up close a visual. I hope this was enough, okay? You see them side by side together. Please let this end the myth. You cannot have blue hair from just putting blue on your black hair, girl, okay? No. Please share this video with anybody. If you're a hairstylist and you're having a problem explaining this to a client or anything like that, feel free to share this video with them and show people, give them a visual that no, it's not gonna happen, guys. You're not gonna get this color here. No, it doesn't just pop up. This color, the pigment, say it with me, has to be extracted. You can do that with high lift color sometimes. Sometimes you have to do it with light mirror depending on how high of a level you're trying to go. So you would need to lift this pretty high, okay? I love you guys so much. I really hope, like I said, this video helps. Say it with me one time. You trying to go there, from there, Sugarfoot, okay, Sugar Lumpkins, no, it's not just gonna work like that. Just go in there. First, you need some hair, that color, okay? So subscribe, share the video, do all of that stuff, everything, whatever that I pop up on the screen. I love y'all. I really hope y'all get everything. Don't get mad at me. I love y'all. I'm just trying to help the people of the Americas and of the world, y'all. Of the world, not just the city, the world. Bye, girl.